Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to convert an image into editable text using Google Docs, turning a JPEG into a DOCX file easily. First, open Google Drive. Click on New, then choose File Upload to upload your image file. Once the upload is complete, locate your image inside Drive. Right-click on the file, hover over Open With, and select Google Docs. Google Docs will now open the image in a new document. Here, you'll see both the original image and the extracted text underneath. The text is fully editable, meaning you can copy it, make changes, or format it however you like. If you want, simply remove the image portion so that only the text remains. From there, you can edit, save, or even download it as a Word document. And that's it. You've successfully converted an image to text using Google Docs. It's quick, easy, and requires no extra software. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple tech tips. Thanks for watching.